CPC preliminary. Section 1 short title commencement and accent. Section 2 definition. 2 1 code, 2 decree, 2 3 decree holder, 2 4 district, 2 5 foreign court, 2 6 foreign judgment, 2 7 government pleader, 2 7 A high court, 2 7 B India, 2 8 judge, 2 9 judgment, 2 10 judgment debtor, 2 11 legal representative, 2 12 men's profit, 2 13 movable property, 2 14 order, 2 15 pleader, 2 16 prescribed, 2 17 public officer, 2 18 rules, 2 19 share in corporation, 2 20 signed. Section 3 subordination of court. Section 4 saving. Section 5 application of the court to revenue court. Section 6 pecuniary jurisdiction. Section 7 provisional small causes court. Section 8 presidency small causes court. Part 1 suit in general. Section 9 court to try all suit unless barred. Section 10 stay of suit. Section 11 res judicata. Section 12 bar to further suit. Section 13 when foreign judgment not conclusive. Section 14 presumption as to foreign judgment. Section 15 court in which suit to be instituted. Section 16 suit to be instituted when subject matter situate. Section 70 suit for immovable property situate within jurisdiction of different court. Section 8 place of institution of suit where local limit of jurisdiction of court are uncertain. Section 90 suit for compensation for wrong to person are movable. Section 20 other suit to be instituted where dependent reside or cause of action arises. Section 21 objection to jurisdiction. Section 21A bar on suit to set aside decree on objection as to place of suing. Section 22 power to transfer suit which may be instituted in more than one court. Section 23 to what court application lies. Section 24 general power of transfer and withdrawal. Section 25 power of Supreme Court to transfer suit etc. Section 26 institution of suit. Section 27 summon to dependent. Section 28 service of summon when dependent reside in another state. Section 29 service of foreign summons. Section 30 power to order discovery and the like. Section 31 summon to witnesses. Section 32 penalty for default. Section 33 judgment and decree. Section 34 interest. Section 35 cost. Section 35 a compensatory cost in respect of false or vexatious claim or defenses. Section 35b cost for causing delays. Part 2 execution. Section 36 application to order. Section 37 definition of court which passed a decree. Section 38 court by which decree may be executed. Section 39 transfer of suit, transfer of decree. Section 40 transfer of decree in court in another state. Section 41 result of execution proceeding to be certified. Section 42 power of court in executing transfer decree. Section 43 execution of decree passed by civil court to place which the court does not extend. Section 44 execution of decree passed by revenue court to place to which court does not extend. Section 44 execution of decree passed by court in reciprocating territory. Section 45 execution of decree outside India. Section 46 precept. Section 47 question to be determined by the court executing decree. Section 48 execution part in certain cases. Section 49 transferee. Section 50 legal representative. Section 51 power of court to enforce execution. Section 52 enforcement of decree against legal representative. Section 53 liability of ancestral property. Section 54 partition of estate or separation of shares. Section 55 arrest and detention. Section 56 provision of arrest and detention of women in execution of decree for money. Section 57 subsistence allowance. Section 58 detention and release. Section 59 release on ground of illness. Section 60 person liable to attachment and sale in execution of decree. Section 61 Section 61 partial exception of agriculture products. Section 62 seizure of property in dwelling house. Section 63 property attached in execution of decree of several courts. Section 64 private alienation of property of attachment to be void. Section 65 purchaser title. Section 66 suit against purchaser not maintainable on ground of purchase being on behalf of land. Section 67 power of state government to make rules as to sale of land in execution of decree for payment of money. Section 68 से 72 repealed. Section 73 proceed of execution of sale to be ratably distributed among decree holders. Section 74 resistance in execution. Part 3rd incidental proceeding. Section 75 power of court to issue commission. Section 76 commission to another court. Section 77 letter of request. Section 78 commission issued by foreign court. Part 4 suit in particular cases. Suit by or against government 79. Section 80 notice. Section 81 exception from arrest and personal appearance. Section 82 execution of decree. Section 83 when alien may sue. Section 84 when foreign state may sue. Section 85 person specially appointed by government to prosecute or detain on behalf of foreign rules. Section 86 suit against foreign rules ambassador and envoy. Section 87 style of foreign ruler as party to suit. Section 87 definition of foreign state and ruler. Section 87 view application of Section 85 and 86 to ruler of foreign Indian state. Section 88 when interpreter suit may be reinstituted. Part 5 special proceedings. Section 89 settlement of dispute outside court. Section 90 power to state case for option of courts. Section 91 public nuisance and other wrongful act affecting the public. Section 92 public charity. Section 93 exercise the power of advocate general outside court. Part 6 supplementary proceeding. Section 94 compulsion for appealing arrest, attachment or injunction of insufficient ground. Part 7 appeal. Section 96 appeal from original decree. 97 appeal from final decree when no appeal from preliminary. Section 98 decision where appeal heard by 2 or more judges. Section 99 no decree to be reversed or modified for error or irregularity not affecting merit of jurisdiction. Section 99A no court under Section 47 to be refused or modified unless decision of the case is prejudicially affected. Section 100 second appeal. Section 100A no further appeal in certain cases. Section 101 second appeal on no other grounds. Section 102 no second appeal in certain cases. Section 103 power of High Court to determine issue of fact. Section 104 order from which appeal lies. Section 105 other order. Section 106 what court to hear appeals. Section 107 power of appellate court. Section 108 procedure in appeal from appellate decree and order. Section 109 when appeal lie to the Supreme Court. Section 110 value of subject matter. Section 111 bar of certain appeal. Section 111A appeal to federal court. Section 112 saving. Part 8 reference review and revision. Section 113 reference to High Court. Section 114 review. Section 115 revision. Part 9 special provision relating to High Court not being to the Court of Judicial Commissioners. Section 116 Part to apply only to High Court. Section 170 application of court to High Court. Section 118 execution of decree before ascertainment of cost. Section 190 unauthorized person not to address court. Section 120 provision not applicable to High Court in original civil jurisdiction. Part 10 rules. 121 effect of rules in first schedule. Section 122 power of certain High Court to make rules. Section 123 constitution of rule committee in certain states. Section 124 committee to report to High Court. Section 125 power of other High Court to make rules. Section 126 rules to be subject to approval. Section 127 publication of rules. Section 128 matter for which rules may provide. Section 129 power of High Court to make rules as to their original civil procedure. Section 130 power of High Court to make rules as to matter other than procedure. Section 131 publication of rules. Part 11 miscellaneous. Section 132 exception of certain women from personal appearance. Section 133 exception of other persons. Section 134 arrest other than execution of decree. Section 135 exception from arrest under civil provision. Section 135A exception of member of legislative body from arrest and detention under civil provision. Section 136 procedure where person to be arrested or property to be attached is outside district. Section 137 language of subordinate court. Section 138 power of high court to require evidence to be recorded English. Section 139 oath on affidavit by whom to be administered. Section 114 assessors in cause of salvage etc. Section 141 miscellaneous proceeding. Section 142 other and notice to be in writing. Section 143 postage. Section 144 application for restitution. Section 145 enforcement of liability of surety. Section 146 proceeding by or against representative. Section 147 consent or agreement by person under disability. Section 148 enlargement of time. Section 148A right to lodge a caveat. Section 149 power to make up deficiency of court fees. Section 150 transfer of business. Section 151 saving of inherent power of court. Section 152 amendment of judgment, decree or order. Section 153 general power to amend. Section 153 power to amend decree or order where appeal is summarily dismissed. Section 153B place of trial to be deemed to be in open court. Section 154 saving of present right of appeal. Section 155 amendment of certain act. Section 156 repeal. Section 157 constitution of order under repealed enactment. Section 158 reference to the code of civil procedure and other enactment. First schedule. Order 1 parties to the suit. Order 2 frame of suit. Order 3 recognized agent and pleader. Order 4 institution of suit. Order 4A consolidation of case. Order 5 issue of summon. Order 6 pleading generally. Order 7 plaint. Order 8 written statement set up and counterclaim. Order 9 appearance of parties and consequence of non-appearance. Order 10 examination of parties by the court. Order 11 disclosure, discovery, inspection of document in suit before commercial division of high court or a commercial court. Order 12 admission. Order 13 production, impounding and return of document. Order 13A summary judgment. Order 14 settlement of issue and determination of suit on issue of law or on issue agreed upon. Order 15 disposal of the suit at the first hearing. Order 15A case management hearing. Order 16 summoning and attendance of witnesses. Order 16A attendance of witnesses confined or detained in prison. Order 70 adjournment. Order 18 hearing of the suit and examination of witnesses. Order 19 affidavit. Order 20 judgment and degree. Order 20A cost. Order 21 exclusion from decree and order. Order 22 death, marriage and insolvency of parties. Order 23 withdrawal and adjustments of suit. Order 24 payment into court. Order 25 security for cost. Order 26 commission. Order 27 suit by or against government or public officer in their official capacities. Order 27 a suit involving a substantial question of law as to the representation of constitution as to the validity of statutory instrument. Order 28 suit by or against military or naval men or airmen. Order 29 suit by or against corporation. Order 30 suit by or against firm person carrying on business in names other than their own. Order 31 suit by or against trustees, executor and administrator. Order 32 suit by or against minor and person of unsound mind. Order 32A suit relating to matter concerning the family. Order 33 suit by indigent person. Order 34 suit relating to mortgage of immovable property. Order 35 entry pleader. Order 36 special case. Order 37 summary procedure. Order 38 arrest attachment before judgment. Order 39 temporary injunction and interlocutory order. Order 40 appointment of receiver. Order 41 appeal from original degree. Order 42 appeal from appellate degree. Order 43 appeal from order. Order 44 appeal by indigent person. Order 45 appeal to Supreme Court. Order 46 reference. Order 47 review. Order 48 miscellaneous. Order 49 chartered High Court. Order 50 provisional small cause quoted. Order 51 provisional small causes court.